on, T. Go, throw him in.
Come on, let's go.
Go on.
Jump in.
It's like, I'm going to sink like a rock. What are you doing? No, please. No. I'm terrified. Go ahead, throw me in if you want to.
What?
You can go ahead and throw me in.
No!
Oh,
Oh gosh!
little buddy. Oh, yes. Oh, look at you.
Oh, no, sweetie. Back in. Sorry. No, you gotta go. Oh, we better let him back up. No.
You're gonna be alright, T. Look at you. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. Oh, he's a regular Michael Phelps. Look at him. Oh, man, he's off to the races. Look at you. Look at you, T.